What's the meaning of bridie? Bridie. Bridie.
Bridie. Bridie. Bridie is a term that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In Scotland, it refers to a traditional pastry made with minced beef or mutton and onions, often served as a snack or at weddings. In some parts of Ireland, it can be a nickname for the name Bridget or a pet name for someone who is small or cute. It can also be used as a surname or given name in some cases. Overall, bridie holds cultural significance in different regions and contexts, but its meaning is generally tied to food, people, or names.